Hello everybody, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about grammar, English grammar. Some people don't like studying grammar. I like studying grammar. I think it's very interesting and it helps you to speak more correctly. Okay, so that's the kind of idea behind studying grammar, right? That you are clearer for the listener, that what you say makes sense, okay? You don't need to be perfect, but you need to be understood. Like, for example, you want to express an idea in the past, so you need to know the correct past tense to express that idea. Okay, so the best grammar book that I think is this book here by Raymond Murphy. It's called English Grammar in Use. Okay, there are 3 different levels. There's the elementary book, which is a red cover, and this intermediate book, which is blue, and then there is another more advanced level. So first thing you need to do is to find out your level, right? I think this intermediate book is good for a lot of levels. It starts very easy and then it moves on to more difficult topics. So for example, in this book they have all the verb tenses, articles, prepositions and phrasal verbs, and all the different elements in the sentence. Okay, so just to give you an example, this is how the book works. So for example, on this page, this is the difference between will and going to. And on this page you get a nice description, a very clear description of when to use will and going to. And then on this page there are lots of examples and practice. Okay, so that's it. That's my recommendation for a grammar book. I hope that you have a chance to buy the book and practice your grammar. Thank you.